Hello everyone, welcome to the overview video of OpenApp AI. In this video, we will see how we can create the mobile applications by using this OpenApp AI tool. Here you will be see the dashboard of this OpenApp AI tool. You can see the created applications here. You can see the installed app here, the registrations. You will be able to see this here, and the received lead you can see here. This is the analytics option. You can see the app installations analytic here. By using this monthly or yearly option, you can add the filter here to check this analytics. So this is the dashboard and all the other options. Here the templates. You can see the available templates here. You can use this templates to create your application by using this available template. Here you can see the template which you have created in this my template option. My app, this is the option. You can see the created app here, which you have created the app. You can see these apps here. You can make the status active or inactive by using this option. You can do the actions. You can view the application by clicking preview app. You can edit the application by using this option, and you can delete the application by using delete option. This is the create new app option. Let me show you how you can create the application by using this. Click on create new. You will be redirected to this page. This is the pop-up page. You can see create new app. Please enter the name of your application. You can use three of these options. You can choose template. You can create your application by using the template, or you can start from scratch, and you can also create the application by using your website URL. I'm using this scratch option and click on continue. Your app is created. Now you need to do this customization for your application. Here you will be redirected to this menu bar page. Here you can see all the menus are open here now. This is the basic setting option. I have already entered the application name, so no need to enter the application name here. Add the domain name here. Click on save and continue. Here another option is engage. You can add the notification setting here. You can set the booking manager by using this booking manager option. This is the loyalty option. Product and orders. If you have created the application to sell any products, you can add the products, or you can see the order or product detail here. After doing all these settings, go to the app setting again. You can save these applications or template as a template by using this save as template option, or if you have created this completely and you want to publish the application, click on publish app option. And if you want to preview this app, you can use this option view app. You will be able to see the application here you have created. This is, you can make the status active. Preview, edit and delete options are also available. Here are more options are available. My templates option. You can see the templates here which you have created. The DFY option. You can see the done for you templates, done for you mobile application, you just need to select any of this and do it the customization as per your requirement, and you will be able to create the mobile application by using this. So this is the overview of this OpenApp AI. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.